The switch case statement in C provides an elegant way to handle multiple conditions based on a single expression's value. It is an alternative to multiple if-else statements when comparing a variable against several discrete values. The syntax involves the keyword switch, followed by an expression in parentheses. Inside the switch block, you have different cases. Each case is followed by a constant and a colon. If the value of the expression matches the constant of the case, the code within that case will be executed. The break statement is used to exit the switch block after a matching case is executed. If no case matches the expression, the default case is executed. The default case is optional. Let us explore the syntax and structure of the switch case statement. The basic structure starts with the keyword switch, followed by an expression enclosed in parentheses. This expression is evaluated, and its value is compared against various case labels within the switch block. Each case label represents a specific constant value. When the value of the expression matches a case label, the code associated with that case is executed. It's crucial to include a break statement at the end of each case block. Without a break, the program will continue to execute the code in the subsequent case blocks, a behavior known as fall-through. The default label is optional and is used to specify a block of code that is executed if none of the case labels match the value of the expression. Now, let us talk about expression requirements. The expression must evaluate to an integer type, such as int, char, or enum, or be implicitly convertible to 1. Each case label must be a constant expression or literal value, not variables. Without break, execution falls through to the next case, sometimes useful, often a bug. Let us consider a basic example. This program determines the day of the week based on an integer value. The main function initializes an integer variable day to 3, where 1 represents Monday and 7 represents Sunday. The switch statement then evaluates the value of the day variable. If day is 1, it prints Monday. If day is 3, it prints Wednesday. If day is 5, it prints Friday. If day doesn't match any of the cases, the default case is executed, printing other day. In this example, since day is 3, the program will output Wednesday. Here's an example to illustrate the fall-through behavior. Consider a program that assigns a grade B to the character variable grade. The switch statement then checks the value of grade. If grade is A, it prints excellent. If grade is B, it executes the code for case B. Note that there is no break statement after case B. As a result, the execution falls through to the next case, which is case C. Consequently, it prints well done. If grade were F, it would print failed. The key point here is that without a break statement, execution falls through to the next case. This fall-through behavior can be both a powerful tool and a common pitfall. Forgetting break statements is a common source of bugs in switch case. Always use fall-through behavior intentionally and document it clearly. It is essential to follow best practices when using switch case statements. Always include a default case to handle unexpected values, even if it's just for error handling. Always use break statements unless you specifically want fall-through behavior. Arrange cases in a logical order and put the most common cases first for better performance. When should we use switch case statements? Use switch case statements when testing a variable against multiple discrete values, for menu-driven programs with clear options, when handling state machines with distinct states, when if-else chains become too long and unwieldy, and for command interpreters that process different commands. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.